I'm cold.
Oh, you're cold. I was like, what's she dancing for? We're waiting to get on our plane. Outside. Welcome to Latvia. Yes. What's up, guys? Good morning from Riga, Latvia. We got in super late last night, getting kind of a late start this morning. It's my fault. I slept horribly and I'm struggling to get out the door. But we're in this amazing apartment right outside of Riga's Art Nouveau district, so we wanted to show you around before we hit the trail. There's Allie. We got a cute, nice common area, comfy little master bedroom. Oh, one of my favorite things is this. I don't even know what you call this, but awesome coffee machine right here. You load this bad boy up. Great bathroom, big sink, washer, dryer, huge shower. So yeah, we're situated kind of right between Riga's Art Nouveau area and the Old Town. So we're gonna head out and check out some cool Art Nouveau architecture and then see what else we can find in the Old Town.
This is where the keys go.
We're loving the snow. Babe, how do you feel about it?
I love it. I feel like I'm in a winter wonderland.
It's pretty sweet.
I need hot chocolate and maybe some different shoes.
Yeah, we could both use better shoes for the snow and for if we want to do any serious kind of hiking. So when you come to Riga, you gotta check out the Three Brothers.
It's this cute set of three houses behind us, which were supposedly built by generations of the same family, but that's a legend. They were built in the 15th and 17th century, and they are so cute.
Super cute. That was epic. Cacophonous.
Nikki's hands are frozen. So I become the camera woman while he defrosts. Hopefully this looks good. I don't care if it doesn't. Nikki,
Yes.
let's paint a house this color.
I like that.
I like it.
It's the color of my eyes.
You're so beautiful.
So we're back at the place. We've just been chilling. Allie is cooking up a furious dinner. How's it going, babe?
Good, we're making spaghetti.
Making spaghetti?
Making spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara is a good travel meal to make if you're cooking on the road because it doesn't include a lot of ingredients. So really, like, all we ever have to buy is like bacon, spaghetti noodles, eggs, and cheese. So it's super cheap and delicious.
Absolutely delicious. We also want to try something. Kvass, I think is how you pronounce it. It's a non-alcoholic, mostly, beverage. It's like a 1% alcohol beverage. It's literally like fermented rye bread. Up until like just recently, it was still one of the biggest kind of food and beverage industries in Russia and in kind of these northern Baltic nations. The soft drink industry is kind of killing it. But we're going to try it. This is Kvass. It's like somewhere between like beer and cola.
Yeah, it's like between beer and cola.
It's like flat beer cola. I don't hate that. Oh, it's got a little bit of a fruity kind of thing at the end. I don't know if this is a great brand or not. If you're from Latvia, let us know in the comments below. This Ulmanlaiku, sorry if I butchered that, Kvass. I don't hate that. I would drink that. Day 2, we are out and about.
It's kind of snowing, but there's a lot of snow on the ground.
Absolutely.
We're just gonna explore today.
Yep. Look at this.
It's Christmas!
And it's snowing.
And it's snowing! See how warm my hands are, Nikki? The snow just melts.
Yeah, I am wearing 2 pairs of gloves and my fingers are numb.
I feel good.
You do? Holy crap, your hands are warm. If you're a medical professional, please tell me what's wrong with me. Nice job, Riga. Cute little Christmas tree. This is the House of the Blackheads, which we thought was a really weird sounding name, so we looked it up.
Basically, it was a guild of unmarried dudes who decided to build themselves a house. That's what history said.
Pretty much. So we are walking around Riga's Central Market, and guys, this place is huge.
Massive.
Yeah, it occupies 5 former Zeppelin hangars. I mean, it is gigantic.
So we gonna be shopping.
Allie's favorite pastime. Now on to my favorite pastime, eating. I think I just bought a pizza. On some delicious bread. Oh man, that's good. What you got, Allie?
Well, I thought I got paragas.
A what?
Paragas, which is like a bacon-filled bread, but part of me thinks that's not what this is. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's good.
That's typically my reaction. Not sure what this is, but I'm gonna eat all of it.
I'm gonna eat it. I got you one too.
Thank you. All right, we pulled over to try a couple of things we've been told and read that we're supposed to try here in Latvia. Got some food on the way, but we're trying the traditional Latvian liqueur, black Balsam. It's kind of a digestif. Cheers.
Do you have the water ready?
Oh, I like that. It's herbal.
I was gonna say medicinal.
Yeah. It's kind of like Fernet Branca, if you're familiar with that, but different.
It's very syrupy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's warming like alcohol.
Here comes, what is this called? Gray peas
and bacon.
with bacon.
And it looks beautiful.
Let's show the people. Yum. I'm gonna give it some time. It's really steaming.
I like that. It's so like hearty and warm.
So what kind of peas are they?
Gray. My dad would like these. He would like these, Dad, if you're watching.
Whatever.
Thank you.
All right, so these a peleni. This is Latvia's version of a dumpling. They're not pierogi, they're peleni. So we got the dumplings here. We got, what, some green onion, bacon, a little bit of dill. Dill is kind of native to this region. They're definitely fresh.
This was a lot more pasta than I was anticipating.
This is probably one of the cheapest lunches we've had, like price to amount of food here in the market. Great value. We just finished our delicious lunch here in the Central Market. This is Pumpkin Tavern. That is Arthur. If you come to the Central Market in Riga, come see him. See ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So we left the Central Market and we're headed back to our apartment for 3 main reasons.
Number one, it is crazy cold. It's like 30 something, but with the wind chill, it feels like 23.
2, we've got a crazy early flight, like at the butt crack of dawn to get to the Czech Republic.
Yes, darn you, Ryanair. And number 3, we've had some challenges getting into places here in Riga. Like other countries we've been to, they've been checking vaccination status, and Allie and I are both vaccinated, but we don't have EU digital COVID certificates, and the people here in Latvia have like been trained only to scan QR codes. So that's been a little frustrating. It's the end of November 2021. You might have a different experience if you come here, but yeah, we kind of got tired of trying to get into places and get turned away just to wander around in the cold. So we're headed back to our place. Thank you guys for following us around Riga, Latvia. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe.